we will get the evidence of how heat is transferred through watching a video. But before we collect this evidence from the video, think with your colleagues about what you know so far about the ways of heat transfer. And also think if there are any other ways to transfer heat without direct contact. Let's watch the video to find out the answer. And in the video, you will observe 3 different methods of heat transfer. So you need to use the chart in your book to record your ideas about these 3 ways. Let's watch the video, and when we come back, we will discuss our observation together. Let's go.
Heat is the transfer of thermal energy from one place to another by conduction, convection, or radiation. Conduction is the transfer of heat between substances that are in direct contact with each other. Metals are good conductors of heat. The metal spoon is made of atoms that begin to vibrate and move as they're heated. The atoms collide and pass on their energy to adjacent particles, and the heat flows through the spoon so that it becomes hot. That's how thermal energy spreads, by conduction. Convection is the transfer of heat due to the movement of a substance, such as a liquid or a gas. Convection cannot occur in solids. In a cup of coffee, water molecules evaporate from the surface. As they rise, they begin to cool, and so they fall back down to the surface of the hot coffee. This cycle is called a convection current. Hot air balloons rise and sink because of convection currents. A heater inside the balloon heats up the air. The balloon rises as the hot air is trapped inside it. When the pilot wants to come down, he releases some of the hot air. Cool air takes its place, causing the balloon to descend. Radiation is a method of thermal energy transfer that does not rely on contact between the heat source and the heated object, like being warmed by the heat from the sun, or holding your hands in front of a fire when they're cold. Now you can describe 3 processes of thermal energy transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.